Okay guys, I just rode the bike up here after this incident. I was over there trying to jump from that thing to that thing, and I kind of scraped my leg on that little bottom piece right there. But it's kind of hanging out. You know, watching the waterfall. There's another one over there. I'm about to go climb over there soon. But for now, I'm just kind of climbing. Yep, doing some parkour. What does this say? It says something that I'm not using these for correctly. But whatever. Very nice out here. Got my gloves on. The waterfall's right. The waterfall's right behind me. But when I was going over here, I was over here. I went to this over here, right here, and this. I tried to jump onto it. I hit my legs on that. So, but you know, you always gotta do what you gotta do. But I'm gonna walk over here. But see, there's a whole bunch of additions to this, over here. Yeah, very cool. I'm gonna get you guys a close-up of the water. Well, I'm gonna go jumping around. Should I get onto that one? I'm gonna get onto it. Crap, it's super windy. Got it. There's kind of the waterfall's edge over there, so we could go over here on this side. I hope nobody steals my bike. There it is. Here's kind of the big jump. I usually do this jump every time I come, but hopefully I don't slip like I almost did that one time. Got it. Here's kind of the view you see, Rochester. Hope I don't start bleeding again, but here it is. I'm probably going to go over there in a little bit, over there in that area. But yeah, right now, really beautiful day out. It was raining earlier, but so I was waiting to do this video, so super hot out. Oh yeah, by the way, I got a new watch. Yeah. Yep, but the water looks really dirty. I'm gonna kind of walk over here, try not to slip and fall to my death, but I'm gonna try to get you guys a good view of this. I hope I don't die. This is kind of the edge of it. Kind of like a little stream here. It falls down to the waterfall. Leave a comment down below if you want me to come back to this very spot, or I can venture around over there. There's some stuff, rocks over there, and there's another fountain over there, and there's that bridge way off in the distance, right over there. I could climb up under there, but yeah, it's really nice. I can show you guys a whole bunch of different things, so let me get up here. Actually, I'm gonna go down here first. Gosh, look at how much trash that is. I don't even know why I did that. But yeah, I'm trying not to drop the camera into the water. But says Go Fit. Yep. But yeah, I'm gonna go over there now. There's the bike back there. Wait. There's the waterfall. I'll get you guys a good view of that too. So these are like super slippery, so I gotta be careful. I'm over here, but there's like kind of like a narrow over here. Those over there. But here's the rock I jump on a lot. But here's kind of a waterfall. It's really sketchy. It's really sketchy over here. Probably can't hear me too well, but you probably can. I don't know. Oh, here's like a good green background. I can do my videos here. Have like a green background. I hope I don't get yelled at by that guy over there. He's kind of walking. But I would not want to be yelled at by him. I don't think he would yell at me, but you know, you never know. People are strange. Here's kind of this view. Dang it. My phone's about to die. So I'm gonna jump down here. Oh crap, I'm about to get yelled at, so I gotta go back. Wait. No, we're good. Unless I get yelled at by him, but a whole bunch of stuff down there. I'm about to jump back. Back here by the bike. I didn't get yelled at by him. I want to show you over here more. Actually, I want to go back over there, so I'm probably gonna have to go back around. But yeah, but I don't know what I should do. Probably gonna ride down over there. But right now I'm gonna go on the other side of that right quick. So I'll see you guys over there. Okay, so I'm just kind of over here now. I just got across here. Kind of still by the waterfall, but I'm gonna go over there now on this side. I was just over there not too long ago on the other side, but I'm gonna go down over there. Alright. Here's kind of the view from the other side. The water down there. We can look over this edge. Okay, so we're kind of over here now. We were on that side of it over there not too long ago. But now we're like right here. So here's the other side. It's more like rocky. Hi, shadow. There's my shadow. There's the camera right here. Yoink. Okay. But idea. I'm gonna try to get you guys under there. Yoink. Okay. So here we go. I can't really see anything, but you guys probably can. I'm holding on to my camera to realize what's in there. I don't know what's in there, but something's down there. Back up here now. Alright, I'm gonna jump down here. Yoit. Gosh, I'm like sweating up a storm. It's like, I'm so sweaty. Wait, I gotta check on my bike. Yep. Where's the bike? Oh, there it is. I see my bike. Hello, bike. Okay. Whoa, oh my. Oh, you dude. Wait a minute. Do you guys see that right there? Right there. It's like a dead fish. Oh gosh! I almost slipped and fell in where that dead fish was. Okay, I gotta pay attention. You guys can skip a little bit in the video if you don't like seeing this, but probably don't want to see this. But that's what I found. I'm not going to show it anymore because it's disgusting. I don't even know if that is a fish. That's not like what the skeleton of a fish would look like. Gosh. Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna go climb over there for a little bit. Probably go check out that thing. But I think that's gonna be all for the video after I'm done with that. And in next video, I'm probably gonna be going over there. So right over there, you know where I'm going, you know. So leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe during this video. Well, I'm gonna make my way back over to my bike. Oh crap. I had to do that with one hand. That was suck. Ready, I'm making the jump all the way over to that rock. Oh! But I just tripped over this thing and almost died in there and over there. Okay. Well, I'm almost there now. Over there. Whew. Well, I'm back on the trail. Next video, I'm gonna go explore over there and kind of over there more. So stay tuned for my next video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Ethan, the E-Gang is out. See ya.